Alright, just wanted to do an update on the Acer Aspire 1 D255e RAM upgrade. There actually are 3 tabs, one there, and this one over here. See it there? That do not push in. The 3 at the top here do push in. Sorry about the lighting in here. Use my flashlight. Make sure you don't push them all the way in, by the way, because I have a couple here that don't want to seem to pop back out. The hardest part will be getting it out of this tab and this tab, since there's 2 of them that do not push in, one here and one here. The best way I found to do it was to pry the bottom area of this out. You know, this, once you get the top area out, this will like bend up and flex, and allow you to get these 2 out here. Then you can slide the entire board sideways, just about a millimeter or so, big enough to get your credit card in the middle here, and then pry this up, which will actually pull the top down, releasing this top pin, popping the whole thing out. One other thing for the guys who are having issues with the RAM, when you turn the screen on, it stays black, doesn't do anything. Here's the RAM that you get with it. This is 1 gig DDR3. It's PC 1333 speed, or 8500, same thing. What you want is this PC, this Acer, only accepts high density RAM, not low density. So high density means less chips. You can see there's only 4 chips on each side of the original RAM for 8 chips total. Make sure whatever RAM you get 8 chips total. As you can see here is what Crucial, their own website, recommends for this laptop. There's 8 chips on each side, giving me a total of 16 chips. This is low density RAM, generally cheaper, and will not work in this, thus giving you the black screen when you turn it on. It does nothing. So make sure whatever you get, 4 chips on each side, high density RAM, and you'll be good to go. No more tips I can think of for this. By the way, here is the model number. Good luck. Me again. Just to make sure, this is, as you can see from the Crucial Technologies invoice that I got here, it says that this is an upgrade for this. It does not work. There's the part number. Don't buy that one, or you'll have an issue.